Okay, this is 6.36, and it's just naming a polyatomic ion and including its charge, or writing the formula, excuse me, and including its charge. This is one of the back of the book problems, so I'm just going to do A and D again. All right, so these you just have to memorize, and I'll make another video with some helpful tips on memorizing some of the polyatomic ions, but suffice it to say that nitrite, we would just write its formula as we have memorized it. And we have to include the charge, always include the charge when you're writing a polyatomic ion. Possibly just thinking about the word ion should help you remember that it's going to have a charge. And then when we do nomenclature a little bit later, this is why it's very important for you to memorize your polyatomic ions, because you have to be able to go from a name to a formula, if that makes sense. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. So acetate, there's two different ways we can write this. I like CHUCU because I can remember CHUCU. It's a funny way to say it, which is CH3COO minus. Or some people even write it CH2COOH minus. But the actual formula, if you prefer to memorize formulas, and there's an easy way to do it, it's 232. So it's C2H3O2, minus. No matter how you choose to name it, the important thing is that you have the correct number of carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens, as well as the correct charge on your polyatomic.